Welcome to MindMate, your personalized wellness companion. Let's start by checking in on our emotions. Clicking on Validate Feelings, we select stressed and overwhelmed. MindMate responds with comforting guidance. Next, water intake tracker. Staying hydrated is essential for our body. Now, are you feeling anxious? The anxiety and breathing session guides us to settle down and start breathing cycles. As the circle expands and contracts, we breathe in and out slowly to center our minds. Two cycles are completed, three more to go. Breathe in and breathe out. Last one. Ending with a peaceful mindfulness quote. Back to home chat. For private thoughts, the safe venting journal acts as a secure space. We open the diary to type out our feelings and emotion in the terminal given below. Save the entry successfully and view it inside our personal venting vault. And here it is. Finally, MindMate keeps us inspired with daily boost and motivation quotes. Practical study and wellness tips. And last but not the least, an engaging mini games hub. Whether we are testing our nutrition knowledge with the health quiz, whether flipping a coin for a decision, or rolling the dice for a random number, MindMate provides a complete interactive wellness experience. Thank you for watching. That's my time.